My typical customer is going to be somebody who wants the low volume machining, right? So we are not in business of doing high volume machining. We do precision work. We'll do tolerances down to half a thou. We do the full supply chain management. We will buy your castings. We will buy the raw material. We even do warehousing for our customers. So if you want to run a 300-piece lot, we will warehouse it for you, and you can pull from inventory as needed. We are a U.S. manufacturer. We will service anybody in the United States. Hi, I'm Michelle Shatchel with N.E.T and Die. We specialize in low volume machining. We're located in Syracuse, New York. Been in business 60 years. We're a third generation family owned company. So we do a lot of impeller ring machining for the pumps, compressor, and blower industries. We will do most materials. We have nylons here, phenolics. We will do aluminum, brass, bronze, steel, stainless, cast iron. So this is a typical part for us. We have a 16-inch shaft here that's been turned and threaded. So pumps, compressors, and blowers. We work for, like I said, equipment builders, metal processing industry. We work for agriculture, wood processing. I mean, we probably are in 20 different industries. So if we're doing 100 pieces is a lot for us. We will do down to one piece. We do a lot of repair work for different industries as well. We do turning up to 42 inches, horizontal milling up to 30 feet, vertical milling 243 inches by 50 inches by 37 inches. We also do welding, fabricating. We have engineering services. We perform honing, and we will do all of your supply chain management. We'll do small parts down to 1 inch in diameter. This part has knurling on it. We have knurling capability as well in our turning machines. We have 8 Morisiki turning centers. We do turning from 1 inch up to 42 inches in diameter. 2 of those Morisikis have live tooling capability, so we can do the milling right on the machine, more efficient for our customer. We have 4 Haas vertical mills in-house. We also do horizontal milling. We have a horizontal boring mill with a rotating bed. Our horizontal boring mill with a 20-foot bed. We do a lot of milling, drilling, and tapping for the machine build industry. So we work for a lot of different equipment builders.
Please support us so we can make more videos to support American manufacturing. Smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks.